sure you take care of him.
Nigeria, my country. In case now they seriously see this country now cruise. I tell you, now cruise. Everybody, all our leaders, all of them just they swallow money, just they embezzle money anyhow. The former minister, the former chairman, we say in charge of pension, Abdurrashid Miners. When we say the court, then give him 61 years. We say imprisonment. We say he go run am concurrently for 8 years. Then give him because say the man do money laundry. So him and one bank staff like that, then collide together, then collate head together. So the bank staff come open bank, several banks for him, and the man Abdurrashid, he can carry all the pension money, all those sweats of people. We say some people don't, they say they don't old, then they expect say pension will enter. He can carry all their money enter those bank. All the money where you say he can gather now 2 billion naira. 2 billion. Someone sweats. Some people sweat. 2 billion naira. He only him can't gather arm together. That one aside. So as they can't nab am, they can't give am yes, say okay, make it go they say make the guy go they enjoy himself for prison. So don't give am 8 years. The thing we can the Bible maybe say the police officer and EFCC they can't they fight on top him. The thing they confuse police officer and EFCC then they fight on top criminal. In case you never watched the video of how those two people, those our this thing they fight on top criminal. I beg, may watch them.
Said, you make sure you take care of him. He was telling them. Now. He said, take care of him. So I don't know what they're doing. DSS said, you make sure you give him. DSS want to take him.
Imagine, no more imagine and see how EFCC and police they fight on top criminal. Child they fight. But me, I said say if even now court don't give the man sentence, okay, make the man go spend some years for prison. Now, don't give him judgments. I think say the matter don't comment for EFCC and if EFCC accept one problem, me I think I say now for inside cell suppose they probe the guy. Two of them come they fight. Imagine they come they fight. It be like say that they want that. Say for someone to embezzle 2 billion naira. No be small something. That one aside. The thing we come they vex me. The thing we come they vex me be say one video they circulate for social media and this same man where they give 8 years to spend for jail, he come they laugh. They give him 8 years. If you see the way they escort the man out, criminal, they escort criminal out. The criminal come they laugh. You can't see and the person they give him jail, prison. You can't see they pet some people say me they no cry. You ever say supposed to cry? He no cry. He see they smile. See they pet some people because you never watch the video of how this man they smile. This man they laugh. I beg, may you watch him.
Let's go fight. We are journalists. I have my
When you say I am, let's go. We are going like this. that lift. Press that lift. This one is open. Let's go. Let's go.
More imagine. No, more imagine. The thing they say they happen for this country. Someone sweat, some people sweat. You still can't they laugh. Me, I thought the one that say maybe the court don't tell them to repay to return those 2 billion. Maybe say instead. Only God knows how many pensioners don't die on top of this money. We say this man can't abor to himself alone. Only God knows how many people will say that they expect. I don't say most of all these pensioners say they know they get side hustle. Now on top of this pension, then go they now. In fact, some pensioners say they use the pension this pension money to send their pikin go school. The man can't gather everything, 2 billion naira, can't gather for himself alone. He still can't get man, they laugh. The money when he still no concern me. Now the laugh when he laugh, then they pay me. You know the reason people sweat. No, people sweat. You can't see the laugh. And this say now the 8 years when say they give him. No say he go spend 8 years like that too. You sabi how they count this J stuff. I never entered J before, but I don't hear how they count am. Now morning and night. So morning na one day. So from 12 a.m. to 12 p.m. That's one day. 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. to the next. That's 2. You go spend 2 days in one day. Imagine that. So the man go spend 4 years for jail. That he said they give him 4 years. He go spend for jail on top 2 billion naira. On top 2 billion naira. And one guy like that. One guy steal phone. One guy steal phone and 4,000 naira. Then give him life imprisonment. Imagine one guy steal phone, common phone, and 4,000. They give him life imprisonment. The other day, someone steal money, then give him death by hanging. Or money, you know, kilo, he steal money, they give him. Now someone is steal, they give him death by hanging. And someone constitute billionaire. Only God knows how many pensioners don't die. How many pensioners don't get stroke because they don't see money to collect. They can't give them 8 years. Some people talk and say, more we try to use China laws, all these Chinese laws. I can't the reason. These Chinese people, they don't get signed. Chinese people, they don't send. You embezzle the key. Embezzle like murder case for that side. You embezzle money, they will kill you straight. Seriously, this thing they tire. Seriously, this is a tire person. The other day, now someone will use billions of naira to buy jewelry and bra. People's money, people's sweat, people's tax. Now again, someone they use billions of naira come carry them, enter bank. Imagine. We don't get our leaders. They don't get fear of God. I don't talk and say the devil himself don't command hand. He don't command hand for anything we concern Nigeria. He can't give us our leader. Not say because I say your leader said he don't do enough for you. So devil know the Nigeria. Now our leader in use instead of him for this country. He said imagine what person they do. No wala. People now on top of that laugh, now they pay me. What you now see to this same person say they give 8 years imprisonment and the person they laugh. What you not think? How do you think the court should extend the years imprisonment? Or what you not think about this whole scenario? What you not think about them? Make I hear your opinion. My name is MC Top Secrets. See you in my next edition. Thank you.